What's up guys, Gurjot here back with another video, and today we are going to tear down mAH power bank. So let's start it. Firstly, go back to your power bank and peel off the back panel. I have peeled it before. There is a strong adhesive at behind, so you have to do it carefully. Then you will see two nuts over there. That unscrew them. Here is the first one and the second one. And it will come up like this. Now, one thing you have to do is, with the help of your screwdriver, just push out from the back and you will see that it will come out like this. Now we are inside the power bank. Here is the 5000 mAh battery and the circuits, the button and the ports. To further disassembling, there are two boards over here. One is over here and one is over here. You have to unscrew these two. After unscrewing the screws, you have to just push this out like this and the battery will come off and like this. Here are the ports and the circuit and the battery. Children, do not try this at home because there are chances that the lithium-ion battery can explode. So that's it guys. Like if you like the video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.